Hello. First thing you're going to notice is, turn that radio down, the hoodie that I'm wearing. That is the slogan, my favourite little saying, hashtag on it, yeah? So I've got loads of exciting stuff happening in my life at the minute, this being one of them, and this video today is about my new site in Bletchley, Binkley. You've probably seen it on my Instagram, and I was going to do a video focusing on Binker. And I thought this is the perfect time to tie in the launch of my new brand. So I won't talk too much about it now. I'm currently in the Golf R. I'm going to my other storage yard to pick up the Lotus. I'm then driving the Lotus to, start the engine by the way. Driving the Lotus to Binker, and I want to introduce you guys to Binker. I want to show you around, show you what we've done. It's not fully prepped yet, it's not fully done, but it's in a position where, or a place where it's ready to sort of trade with. So got a lot to talk about today. Better get rolling with the video. Job done. Seatbelt. Right, what we'll do is, before I'm in a bit of a rush, let me just get on the road and then we'll begin talking about the plan for today's video, alright? Hashtag on it. I'm sure a lot of you probably would have guessed that I was going to go for a clothing brand called Hashtag on it. Now, the NAFFCO54 Clothing brand was never really meant to be. We bought that brand a couple of years ago, and it was never a plan to launch it alongside or sell it alongside my YouTube channel, but that has actually gone really well, and I'm glad that so many people are supporting that brand through my channel, and like I say, it's gone so well. But I always wanted to create a brand that was about the channel. It was more to do with, like, not really a solely car related brand, but a brand that relates to me, and a brand that I can relay on to you guys that you can wear yourselves with pride, you know. So hashtag on it for me was a brand, was exactly that. It was the perfect thing. I use the word all the time. I wake up in the morning and I think, okay, I'll get on it today. I jump out of bed, I say it all the time. I go to the gym, I'm on it all the time. And for me, like, when at school, I didn't have a great time in school, like education-wise, didn't hardly have any GCSEs, so I resorted to selling bloody cars, you know, I didn't have the brain for anything else, I'd done cars, and through being on it, I've done so well, and I'm not saying I'm where I want to be in life, and I'm going to continue to keep on it and keep progressing, but ultimately, it's all about just being on it. And I'm going to show you today, like, my new yard. I'm so proud to where me and Leon, my brother, where we've got to, and it is only because we've been on it, and it made sense to me to launch a brand that represented my mindset and represented what I'm about. And I believe that if you follow the word on it, and it sounds ridiculous, it sounds a bit cliche, a bit cheesy maybe, but I don't care what people think. If you're on it, you get results in life. And I wanted to release a brand that represented my channel, represented me, and represented what I'm about. And the only way that I would expect you guys to wear it is because it will represent you and what you're about. Now, I could ask you to wear things with Calvin's Car Diary on it, or, you know, or just make up a random brand that was about cars or something like that. There's so many ideas that I had, but for me, there's nothing other than hashtag on it. You can wear this to work, you can wear this in your car, to car shows, you can wear it in the gym, you know. This thing, this saying, you can carry this wherever you want in your life, and it will help you move forward. And that, for me, putting that saying on a bloody hoodie and letting you guys wear it, it makes absolute sense to me. It's just an absolute no-brainer. So I have now launched a brand, hashtag on it. It's going to be sold on my own website, which is, again, that's being launched today as well, calvinscardiary.com. I've fully rebuilt the website. I've got a team that done it, and on that website you'll find NAFFCO54. Again, it's a brand that I'm very proud of, but I understand that some people might not want to wear it because it doesn't represent them. And you'll also find on there people like companies that I've worked with, my YouTube videos, and the hashtag on it range of merch, okay? And the hoodie that I'm wearing right now, it pops out the back when it gets warm. The hoodie that I'm wearing right now, the reason why it's taken so bloody long for me to launch this brand is because I've been so particular with the type of clothing that I want. Now, the hoodie is an oversized hoodie. Like, I'm quite a big guy, I go to the gym every day. I'm not like massively hench or muscly, but I'm in pretty good shape, all right? I'm in pretty good shape. But I'm a big guy, yeah? 6'2"-ish, maybe a bit more. 16 stone. You don't want to know about that. And I wear a double XL, so this hoodie is a double XL hoodie. It is a big hoodie. I've gone for the oversized look, so you can wear it, like, you can be relaxed when you're wearing it. There's a bit of room to move around in here, yeah? And the brand itself is a big, bold white brand in a white box. Looks really sort of statement, you know, this brand's got to be about that. It's a bold brand. We want it looking bold, and we want it on a bold hoodie, yeah? The ringlets or eyelets or whatever you want to call them here, they are metal, again carrying off that bold look. And then the strings, they're fat, they're wide, and they're flat. Again, they're bold strings, all right? Little things like that. The quality of the hoodie as well, it's a good quality hoodie. Just all of this stuff together it builds a brand, you know, and it's a brand that I'm proud of, it's a brand that I'm passionate about, and it's a brand that you lot can wear, and it will represent you and what you're about, and you'll be proud to wear it. So I'm very pleased to be announcing it. So like I said, I'll put the link for the website in the description below, and I want you to know that anything I've said this before, anything I sell you will be good, and I don't want to sell people rubbish. And I want you to buy this hoodie, whether you buy it or not, don't worry about it. I'm not trying to upsell it. Some of you will want to buy this because, like I say, it will represent you, but you'll buy this hoodie, you'll receive it in the post, and you'll be like, you know what, Calvin sold me a bloody good hoodie here. This is decent. And I will never, I promise you, I will repeat this in so many videos, I will never, ever sell you rubbish, all right? So that's it for the hashtag on it thing. I'm currently pulling into my Binkley site, yeah? There's a little sign here, Binkley. We're on a farm, right? To change the subject, because we're here now. And this is, for me, what hashtag on it has been all about. You know, look at that brand, look at it. This is what it's all been about. Them cars there, they're all my cars over there, yeah? In this direction, that Honda Civic, I didn't want you to see that. I'll show you that. No, I won't show you that. That might be in another video. And then in here, this is Binkley. And on that sign up there, you'll see it says, welcome to Binkley, all right? So I'm gonna park up and I'm gonna show you inside, all right? So here it is then. This is Binkley. Welcome to Binkley. Look. So if I go for we'll go for a little wander around. It is windy, so I am going to apologise right now if you hear loads of wind noise. But you probably recognise that car from the channel. Now, bear in mind, a lot of cars that are here now we've just been building up stock for the whole of this year. This has been a work in progress. We've got the keys for this site like Christmas time, and we've spent the whole of this year just trying to get everything organised and stuff. So we've been getting cars here, and slowly I've been filming them obviously, and slowly we're now finally getting them photographed and up for sale. So Subaru, you obviously recognise that. The S2000, you know, we've got a real range of cars. We go through so many types of cars. Now let's go for the Mini. You probably recognise the Mini as well. You've seen that on the channel. Ricky, I think Ricky drove that. We had some jokes in that as well. And then over here, big sign there, loads more cars. I'll take you for a little wander down here. Got a few customers here as well, so I'll try not to get them on camera. So this is like our main yard. It's Lee. Lee's our weekend guy. Hello Lee, yeah, don't squirt at me mate. In fact, you know, we'll go for a little wander in here. This is our photo room, okay? This is where we take all the photos. I've purposely parked the Lotus in there because that's one of my jobs to do today. I need to photograph the Lotus and get that advertised. So yeah, we've had all the walls painted white. We've got signs here so you can see the UK's first Dutch car auction. I'll explain a bit more about that in a sec. We've got offices and stuff just out the back here. It's a bloody mess in there, so I won't show you too much in there. Close that. Staff only. So yeah, we've got loads of space. If you look at, like, we've got transit vans, we've got mini buses, you know, old Audi A3. We have such a wide range of cars. Another mini bus. Then over here, I'll come show you over here 1 second. Yard B, yeah, and yard B is going to be another yard for more space, for more cars, because as you can see, we have got a space problem, yeah. If I take you inside, let me just click my fingers quick. In here, so this is the sort of reception area. If I push this door here, reception, yeah, big sign on the wall there. You got a key side, so if you want to collect keys, you collect them on this side, and then to make payment at the auction is on this side. So this is like the customer area, if you like. We're going to be getting vending machines and stuff in here, and a few more tables and chairs. Like I say, it ain't perfect yet. There's a lot more work that we want to do. We've got CCTV everywhere, like we've gone mad on cameras, like literally everywhere you look. We've got CCTV, which is important. We've got a window here which sort of looks into the photo room in there. That's Harry. Harry's the manager here. Where is he? There he is, Harry. Harry's the manager here, so you'll probably be seeing him. If anyone does visit here, you'll be seeing Harry here as well, alright? So that's it for now, I think. Sorry, back into the photo room. Let me jump in here and I can continue explaining a few more things. 1 second. I decided to come home and end the video because I tried sort of ending it on site at Binkley, and I just kept getting distracted by customers. Hold on, make sure these customers don't come in here. Just go, hold on. Yeah, if you just go round to the reception area. Sorry, I just got distracted then. What was I saying? This is really awkward filming here. Keep getting customers walk in. This has really diverted my attention. So, what was I saying? But it's fair enough, you know, they're there to buy a car, they want a bit of help, it's cool. But I wanted to wrap it up in the right way, because this is a big video for me. Like Binkley, the whole Binkley thing is something that me and Leon, my brother Leon, we've been working together on for years. And we have traded as Binkley for a long time, but we've never been able to do it like perfectly or correctly because of the type of sites that we've worked from. And this is a big thing in the car trade, trying to work from a small site or storage. You know, storage in general is a bit of a pain in the arse, and we're just finally in a place now where like it's costed a lot of money to get in the position that we're in, but it's where we've always wanted to be. So we've gone over for a rebrand, and it's a big thing. We're finally in that position where we've always wanted to be, and we will continue to grow, we'll continue to expand. We've got loads of plans for the business as well, so it is just a stepping stone, but for us it's a huge stepping stone. And I wanted to say that today's video was a perfect combination. Obviously I've announced that I've launched the Calvin's Car Diary website today, and I've showed you the Binkley thing, and alongside all of this I've done the brand on it, yeah? And the reason why I thought it would be perfect to collab or introduce this all together is because we started off with one car, yeah? A Golf VR6. It was £600. I had a transit van at the time which we held on to, and I used to do locksmithing. So on the side of the car business, I used to do locksmithing. Leon would take the calls for the locksmith, the locksmith calls, 24/7 on call, being a locksmith, yeah? And we'd done the cars in the daytime, so we'd go out and buy cars even in the evenings. And that one car, we sold this Golf VR6 for 600 quid. That one car has turned into all of the cars that you saw today on the channel. There is actually more, okay? So well over 100 cars from one car. Now, there's only one way that's happened, and that is from being on it, yeah? We've had no handouts, we've got no parents sort of giving us financial gains or no financial input. We've had no one help us whatsoever. Luck, I don't believe in luck, I believe in being on it and good things come your way, yeah? I don't had no luck, I've just been on it, and today's video was a good example, or the perfect opportunity for me to introduce this brand. This brand's been something I've been thinking about doing or looking at doing for such a long time, and I believe it could be massive. I think it could be a huge brand. I think it looks good, and I think it's a saying that we should all carry in our own heads. I wake up every day and I think I'm getting on it today. And it don't matter what you do. If you know anyone that's successful in anything, whether it's bloody like Instagram, YouTube, any kind of social media, any kind of business, property development, you know, anything you see, Amazon, like big businesses like that, they all started from small things, but they ultimately, these people have created what they've created because they've been on it. You ask anyone who's smashed it, anyone who's achieved anything good in their lives, they've done it because they've been on it. And generally, like, luck does exist, don't get me wrong, people do get lucky. But as a rule of the thumb, in my experience anyway, if you're on it, you get results, and I'm on it 24/7. I go to sleep and I think, God, it's such a waste of time sleeping, but you've got to go to sleep. But sometimes when I sleep, I think, I wish I could just keep on it through the night and just keep achieving. I'm not like some big success story, so don't think I'm standing here trying to preach that I'm a big bloody inspirational person. I'm just a guy that's on it, and for me, having that, I wake up with that saying in my head every day. I tell people about being on it. I talk about it, like, if you know me as a friend, you'll know that I talk about being on it all the time, because for me it just works. I just get up and I motivate myself and I just get on it every day. So like I say, I'm excited to deliver the fact that my Calvin's Car Diary website is now finally live. So if anyone wants to get on board with the On It brand, you can do that by visiting my website, www.calvincardairy.com, and I am going to be introducing new merch. I've got loads of ideas for the website as well, but in a nutshell, two things today that I'm so happy to announce. Firstly, the opening of Binkley, I've got to show you around there. It has improved a little bit since the making of this video, and it will still, like, it's a work in progress, and I'll just keep on it and I'll keep improving and keep achieving in that direction in life. But secondly, the launch of calvinscardiary.com. So thanks for watching. I hope you like my news. Like I say, I'm excited about it all. I've got loads more to come as well. I've got lots of plans for the channel, lots of plans for my business, just lots of plans in general, so especially for the On It brand as well. So I've done an Instagram page for #On It as well, called it #On It, so check that out as well. And I'm going to end it there. I hope you liked the video. If you did, obviously hit like. If you're new, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode of Diary of a Car Trader, alright? Bye. In the next episode of Diary of a Car Trader, I buy a car that I've been dying to get my hands on for years.